What exactly happened? First of all, let's speak to the one that's trending. Two accusations. Number one, you declared Mr. Sowore wanted. And number two, he alleges that the reason you declared him wanted is because you were unable to execute the kill or shoot at sight order given by the IGP. How do you plead?
Thank you so much. I think that is a great misinformation to the general public and to Nigerian at large, which no organization will take lightly. The Inspector General of Police of the Nigerian Police Force will never give such an order, and he has never given such an order. For what reason will he give an order against anybody throughout the country? And that is where people will know that Sowore, in all ramifications, is planning, and he has put some of those plans in practice to cause mayhem across Lagos. And that is why I go all out to declare him wanted, because it's clear in the Constitution. I have the constitutional power. The Commissioner of Police is mentioned in the Constitution under Section 215, subsection 1B, and equally on 4 and 5. They have the responsibility to maintain and secure public safety and public order within the state as may be deemed necessary. When somebody like Sowore is marching on the 8th of September 2025, thousands of people on the Tomiland Bridge. Tomiland Bridge is very critical to this country. Tomiland Bridge, billions of dollars were invested to construct Tomiland Bridge and even to maintain it. And there are quite a number of people that are medical concerned, that are traveling out, that have a lot of things to do. And they call out people on the 8th of September to block the Tomiland Bridge. And I have no any other option than to go there and disperse them with smoke using minimum force. Because it's also for anybody to verify that bridges are designed to carry moving weight, not a stationary weight. So what he has done is so terrible to the livelihood of Lagosians, which I will not allow it to happen. So by him going and say the IGP has declared that it should be shoot aside, that is a big misinformation and mischievous for which is known with. And I want to underscore the fact that I have the right to declare wanted based on my right in the Constitution. Any other person, I want you to let me finish this bit. Okay. Any other person that said I don't have such a right should go to court. But for me to ensure public safety and public security and the protection of life and property of Lagosian in Lagos State, for which I'm charged with that responsibility, I have the right to do everything possible within the ambit of the law to sustain this. And that is why I promptly declare wanted. I don't just declare wanted. When he posted something on his ex-handle, and it's there for people to verify that I have just taken a bar in Abuja, and the next point is Lagos to block the Tomiland Bridge. And we well prepared. We cordon off the entire area of Beggar Bus Stop in Sowore, where is designated to come and conduct this violent protest. And we ensure that we make alternative arrangement for people to use. And I equally go on here to apologize to citizens and people of Lagos that may want to use that park at that point in time, so that when they come and we're engaging, we don't have collateral damage on innocent Lagosians. So that's what we did. And subsequently, we patrol the entire of Lagos State. And we deploy everywhere that he might want to come up and cause mayhem. And when he said this, he called it make a post. And he was advancing to where we call the car wash car park within Oworosoki, where he has gathered about 300 violent protesters to march towards us. So I charged him my men, and 13 of them were arrested. And we quickly recovered a vehicle loaded with a loud speaker with a generator that I want to come and use to broad the Tomiland Bridge. So I have the right under the Constitution to prevent crime from being occurred, to prevent anybody that want to take laws into their hand, to come mayhem across the country. So the IGP, I say with any doubt, has not given such an order. And he has not given it not only to me, to virtually all the police institutions across the country. What are we going to do with that? So that is mischievous and is equally investigatable. And we are going to investigate everything that surrounds with this attempt to cause problem in Lagos.
Mr. Jimo, one question I would like to, first of all, there is no doubt that you have a lot on your hands. When 200 million people, I don't even know how many police officers you have to use to get that done. That's probably talk for another time. But I'm just wondering why you think there was a need to declare him wanted. Is it so difficult to find him wherever he is?
Yes, he has gone into hiding because I warned before time that he shouldn't come to Lagos to come and cause mayhem, because the Tomiland Bridge is so vital to Nigerian economy and so vital to the well-being of virtually all Nigerians, because that is the bridge that connects the Lagos mainland to the island. And quite a lot of multinational, the huge investment of government are there. I'm answering your question.
Yeah.
So now, when he now issued the threat that is coming, he went into hiding. And when he went into hiding, and at the time I declared wanted, was in the course of operation after we have recovered the vehicle that I want to use to come out.
Just to be clear, Sijimo, you said did you say he's not supposed to come to Lagos at all?
No, I am not saying every Nigerian can go everywhere in this country. But when you have the intention, and that intention has been put into practice to come and cause mayhem, of course, I told him that he shouldn't come to Lagos to cause mayhem. I didn't say he doesn't have the right to come into Lagos. Okay. And as at the time he made the post that when he was released from prison custody, having been charged in Abuja duly, and he make a post that the next point is coming is Lagos. But on intelligence we gather, he diverted to Ondo State to go and do whatsoever effect. And that is why we believe he has mobilized thugs and hoodlums to come and attack Lagos.
Now, it is also a constitutional right or duty of the police, if I can put it that way, to ensure that people who go out to protest, they also have some kind of police cordon. Is that correct? Are you aware that they plan to protest and there were the policemen deployed for that protection?
If you are going to protest, you bring it to the notice of the police so that we make adequate protection for the protester if it is peaceful, to ensure that hoodlums and miscreants don't hijack the protest. But when someone like Sowore, who is a vagabond, and who is a miscreant, is an hoodlum, and is a fugitive as we speak, will call out all different shades of people, including miscreant and hoodlum, to come out. How will I allow that to happen in Lagos? And not to any other point in Lagos, to the Tomiland Bridge. There's no any commission.
Mr. Jimo, those are very strong words. You called him a miscreant, a hoodlum, and all those things. But do you also know that he also just left the police custody in Abuja?
Yeah.
Why then would the police release a hoodlum?
Yes,
on the people?
He was taken to court, and the courts have the discretion to take appropriate steps in any matter taken before them. And what I'm saying is that coming to Lagos to express this, I'm not commissioner of police for Abuja. I'm commissioner of police for Lagos. And nobody can threaten the Tomiland Bridge. It cannot take place. Whether protest is peaceful or it's not peaceful, nobody should contemplate any form of protest at the Tomiland Bridge. Because you can start, even if it is peaceful, hoodlum can take over and cause assertion. On the 8th of, like I said earlier on the 8th of September 2025, they did this, and a lot of people were subjected to untold hardship. Some people fainted in their vehicles. And that is no more protest. That is mayhem. That is causing confusion. And we cannot afford the repeat of that. So if he has anything to do, he has all means to get his grievances across the government, but not to come and cause problem in Lagos.